In previous session, I ended here like I have informed that how this formatting works. If I have multiple values, can I insert? Yes, we can insert. For example, I have one name. Okay, name is Rajendra. I have a age is 28. Just I'm giving randomly. Okay, location is Bangalore. Okay, sorry, Bangalore. Okay, like this, we have three variables. By using these three variables, I just want to create one sentence. Okay, I just want to print one sentence. Like I say print. Okay, first I would like to say Rajendra from Bangalore and his age is 28, right? So any name is to be printed here. I will say in a bracket. Okay, and it should be in a start with a quotations, right? Always your print statement start with a quote, then one bracket I will give. It's left it for the Rajendra from. I need to period a Bangalore na. So I will leave one more flower bracket to period the Bangalore. Rajendra from Bangalore and his age is about. Then I need to period his age. So I will leave one flower bracket. Now I need to feed these things here, these three flower bracket to be feeded with a name, location and age, right? So I say dot format. In that, first what we need name, comma. The second what we need a location, alright? We need a location. In third what we need a age, right? Then only it will be taken in a order. Like in case I just want to give in this order only name, age and location, then what will happen? In the order you haven't mentioned here, it will fill up, right? So that it will take a wrong order. To avoid that one, what we can say here, zeroth order. Yes, here that is a zero. I can say here from, we have to write a location is given in a second one, so 2, and I can say here it is a 1. Okay, 0 1 2, 0 1 2 location. Like index I can give. Once I give the index, then if I execute, you can see now again it has been correct. Means either we can write it here in a format in a correct order, or here the order which you followed, the same order, the index you need to write within that flower bracket. Okay, either of them you can follow. Okay, I just show that you can do like this also, or without indent if you are writing means, without index you are writing means, here you have to give in a order only. Okay, here you need to follow the order. Okay, if you are not following a order, if it is randomly order you have given, that order has to be specified here. Okay, this is about a formatting. Anything like you like to print anything, or any syntax you like to form, and it should be formatted in such a way that then you can use this format code. Okay.